Now you will say it with me. Loop, dup, loop, dup, loop, dup, loop, drup, 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 loop, drup. Now you come here, the fixed. Loop, drup, loop, drup, loop, drup, loop, drup, loop, drup, loop, drup. In this case, loop, drup, loop, drop, loop, drop, loop, dup, loop, dup, loop, dup. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, I will take another test with you. First, you recognize the normal pattern. Now, you will tell me which pattern. I have put the stethoscope here in a patient, right? In pulmonary area. Sound